If we don't have a short to ground, we'll check further by using a multimeter to test the resistance of the windings to look for any open or shorted winding. The disconnect is still off, so we can proceed with the testing, and the motor is still wired for high voltage. We'll set our multimeter to measure resistance or our ohm setting. We're going to test from T1 to T2, T2 to T3, and T1 to T3 on the bottom of the disconnect. See, we have about 50 ohms there, 50 ohms there, and 50 ohms there. So each phase-to-phase resistance should be similar and show a low resistance, like we did. The larger the motor, the smaller the resistance reading. A difference in resistance of more than 10% between phases would indicate a partially shorted winding. If one phase is much lower, that coil is partially shorted and pulling extra current. If one is much higher or reads open, that coil is burned up. Either way, the motor must come out for repair.